Just want to take a second so you guys can take a look at what I'm talking about. Look at the leaves. Look at that flagship. And this is, I'm seeing quite a few bananas in here still. I need to take these out. We have this in a 25-gallon grow bag, and they are loving it. This is after the sun. We're in fall, and we got this big old tree blocking some of that rising sun, but I want this area to be the nice tropical area. It would be so nice to not have that tree there, but it is what it is. Obviously, it's liking it as it is. I think this is super amazing. I'm going to have to take these out and get these planted in different areas, as I should have done. I need to do that before it gets too cold. We're in fall. And this tomato plant is taking off. And we have all sorts of things growing in that too. I kind of just let my garden go wild. And this mango needs to fix its posture. Avocados, various pots. But we're gonna get this all sorted before it gets too cold, hopefully. I'm gonna need to pull this guy back because can't have you just leaning over like that. I grow, and if you guys didn't know, I grow most of that stuff in pots. As you can see going around. I have this fake grass, so I can't plant things in grass, but who said you can't grow bananas in Vegas? We really need to get a bigger scene here. I'm trying to show people that you can do this, so people can do this, so we can get some gardens going out here and some better food, you know? This is grand mine. Let's go take a look at some other things. Alright, so can you see all these bees? Is this picking it up? Sometimes it's not just about having fruit and vegetables, even though this is a fruit or vegetable or whatnot. These are sweet potatoes. Got this from a little itty bitty thing, and it's taking off. But that's what it's about, guys. Just get out here, try some things. Barbados cherries, full sun. Vegas, 9B, desert. Let's grow.